Hey folks, Johnny Bonzo here. I'll be fishing today with my buddy Big Bass Balecki here in Jacksonville, Florida, Lake St. Nick. We're going to be fishing our Roundabout Watercrafts, folks. These vessels are amazing. Check them out. Maddie's installing his new fish finder he got yesterday. Stay tuned, folks. This should be a fun day. Folks, look how beautiful. They're all right along the edges. I'm throwing the speed worm up into the weeds, pulling it out. These guys are just sitting there waiting. Reedy. Choke. They're hitting the speed worm rather well this morning. I'll tell you what, folks, it's almost every cast we're catching one today. They're not very big, but still a lot of fun. Little one. If you're worried about these things being tippy, you can stand right on the edge. It's not going over. You're going to fall in before these things tip over. Guys, the action here today is, it's really unheard of. It's every cast, every other cast. Nothing great. Balecki over there is saying he's been catching a couple that are decent, but I haven't gotten one yet. I'm looking. Tell you what is nice, being off the bank on these beautiful roundabout watercrafts. The roundabout. Bunch of fun, folks. If you're looking for an affordable way to get off the bank, check out Roundabout Watercrafts. Dig them up out of the bush. On the other side. Don't be afraid to cast deep in those branches. Little boy. Skip cast that one under the tree. That little guy was under there. Easy as that. All right, folks, what a great day we had out here at Lake St. Nick. These roundabout watercrafts are absolutely amazing. Get yourself off the bank and get out there. We smashed them today. Folks, if you enjoyed this, please hit that like, share, subscribe to my channel. We have a blast out here, and we'll see you next time.